Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jaya Wulandari and I'm from E-class. Today I would like to present about final exam. The material is simple present tense. The lecturer is Miss Aprilia Nidia Kartikasari, MPD. And then today we are going to discuss about the definition of simple present tense and the generic structure of simple present tense, and then the last is exercise. For the first is definition of simple present tense. Based on IC book, simple present expresses daily activities, general statement. In a fact, and in some, the simple present is used for events or situations that exist always, usually or habitually in the past, present, and future. And then generic structure in simple present. For the affirmative, verbal, subject, verb 1, kemudian objek. Contohnya, they study literature every Monday. For the nominal sentence, subjek, kemudian to be, is, or am, or are, kemudian objek. Contohnya, Mr. Joko Widodo is the President of Indonesia. Untuk kalimat negatif verbal, yaitu subjek, do not or does not, verb 1, kemudian objek. Contohnya, they do not study literature every Monday. For the nominal sentence, subject, to be, not, kemudian objek. Contohnya, Mr. Joko Widodo is not the President of Indonesia. Kemudian untuk kalimat tanya, di bagian verbal, do or does, kemudian subjek, verb 1, kemudian objek. Contohnya, do they study literature every Monday? For the last is for nominal sentence, to be, subjek, verb 1, kemudian objek. Contohnya, is Mr. Joko Widodo the President of Indonesia? And the next is jadi nanti ketika ada kalimat berbentuk pertanyaan, dan jangan lupa memberikan tanda tanya sebagai penanda bahwa kalimat itu adalah kalimat tanya. Kemudian adalah we have question in simple present. This is from the we have question. There are two, singular and plural. For the singular formula, who, what, when, where, why, how often, how much. Kemudian do or does, kemudian subjeknya itu antara I, you, he, she, it. Kemudian baru kata kerjanya, dan jangan lupa tetap memberikan tanda tanya di belakangnya. Kemudian untuk plural, who, what, when, where, why, how often, and then how much. Kemudian do, kemudian subjeknya adalah you, or we, or they. Kemudian baru kata kerja, kemudian tanda tanya. For the example is, how much do you have, blah blah blah. For the next is spelling rules present tense for third person. Biasanya ketika kita menggunakan present tense itu kita mengakhiri dengan s di belakangnya. Contohnya speak. Untuk subjek orang ketiga nanti akan berganti sebagai speaks. For the example is he speaks 3 languages. Kemudian ketika kata kerja berakhiran ss, x, ch, sh ataupun huruf o, kita menambahkan es di belakangnya. Contoh, fix, fixes, watch, watches. For the example in the sentence is she watches soap operas. For the last is ketika kata kerja diakhiri huruf konsonan, kemudian huruf y. Jadi kita nanti memindahkan huruf y itu menjadi ies. Contohnya adalah study. Jadi studies. Contohnya Isabel studies every night. Kemudian the baby cries all the time. The last is he bears all responsibility. Jadi gitu. Jadi ini adalah peraturan khusus untuk orang ketiga. Jadi khusus he, she, it. Kemudian adalah adverb of frequency in simple present. Adverb of frequency and adverb of frequency tell us how often something take place. For the 100% all, itu biasanya menggunakan kata always. Contohnya, I always wake up at 6 o'clock. Kemudian 90% menggunakan kata usually. I usually come home after work. Kemudian untuk 80% menggunakan kata normally or generally. For the example is I normally swim after school. Kemudian 70% menggunakan often or frequently. I often spend Christmas with my friend. For the 50% menggunakan kata sometimes. I sometimes play tennis on the weekend. 30% menggunakan occasionally. Contohnya I occasionally eat Vietnamese food. Untuk 10% menggunakan seldom. Jadi I seldom go to the library. Untuk 5% yaitu menggunakan rarely. Contohnya adalah I rarely listen to the radio. Kemudian yang terakhir adalah 0%, jadi tidak pernah. Itu menggunakan kata never. I never listen to rock music. Jadi gitu. Ini adalah menunjukkan seberapa sering gitu. Jadi adverb of frequency itu memang sebenarnya biasanya digunakan pada saat kita menggunakan simple present tense. Jadi gitu, seberapa sering. Kemudian the last is exercise. So this is the 5 question. You should underline the correct answer. So you choose the correct answer. So that's all from me and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.